Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Luckily, because I have a sick car, we park on the main entrance. That's cool. So we're in Ayrburn car show, and they kind of have to park me in the main entrance because I'm having like a sick car, which is I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Because it's raining today, and I'm gonna wear my Red Bull coat when I was wearing a Ferrari coat. It's weird. Anyways, I'll show you guys some cars once I pick this up. That's a sick view right there. Check this out. The first thing you'll see is the Ferrari down there, which is pretty cool. There's an F40 down there too. It's quite cool. I'll take a photo of this one real quick. F40 down there. That's sick. Never seen one F40 before. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at the back. This is cool. There's a interior down there. Oh yes. This is freaking amazing. Obviously, go down here. I love Ferrari. It's freaking cool. I wonder if I can see the back though. Look how big their calipers are and their rollers are. That is sick. Who owns it? It's actually more down there. I'll look down there. So down here, if you look at it, it's a Cyberter. 300 That's actually a cool car. Just nice for producing. I have no idea what. It's an electric motor car for that one. Not bad. And then we got an alley down here. And I think this is the one that you can win though. Which is pretty cool. But I won't be here once it's finished. What alley is this? It's a RS4. Sick color though. I like it. Yeah, this is a cool display. What is this? A Lamborghini. Centenario too? Not bad, not bad. Pretty cool. There's more down there, but we'll go down here first. Vanquish. Some modern. Alright, let's go. Ooh. Nice interior. So small. How big the brakes are. Jeez. Yeah, family right here. Not a family. Cool interior. I don't know if you can see it. I like this one. I was showing it to my friends. Look how low it is. It's just near my knee.
Yeah.
Is this the one that you can win for?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's sick. I don't think I'll fit on this one.
Yeah, well, easy. I can fit it, so.
Oh, if you can fit, I'll fit then.
Yeah.
That's cool. There's actually a nice view down there. In the middle of Central down there. Which is pretty cool. There's more down here, I think. We'll have a look down here. There's Aston Martin down there. There's a couple of parking down there. There's an arcade game down here. Which is cool. But yeah, more to come. So back in the 90s, 80s, 20s, I guess. Mercedes. Arcade games. Ooh, there's more down here. Oh la. This is a Ferrari, I don't know, but this. I've seen this one on Stradman's YouTube channel before. This is actually pretty cool. And this one too. I forgot what it is though. Oh, look at that. Oh, what? You can see inside. That's actually cool. Man, right-hand drive. That looks so comfy looking at it. There's a 4-seater. Let's go. There's a couple more down here. There's a DeLorean down there. Just cool.
Which is your area? It's built by this
Pretty cool. DeLorean. And I don't know what it is, to be honest. Couple of cool cars down here. Yeah, this is pretty big though. Think about it. Yeah, man. Datsun. This is cool. Ooh, it's a red seat too. What if, oh, it's a check me. Check me, daddy. What did I say? Find the number plates. GT 500. This is cool. 500 horsepower, I'm guessing.
Trying to guess whether it's going to rain again or not.
Oh yeah. No. The Southland.
Ferrari F12.
When the Southland gets told how much it's going to cost, you see them.
I'll take a photo of this.
Southland.
Yep.
Oh, I'm moving it.
You sure you're on the clock?
You're moving it. Ooh, there's the Lambo here. I think that's what the DDA has down here. This is so tiny. Very tiny. Yeah, I think there's more down there. We'll have a look. Oh, look how big it is. Oh, dream car right here. Oh, look at that. Look how nice it is. F12 rain lights down there. Yes, sir. Black interior, yes, that's nice. Alright, there's more to see down here, which is quite lovely. There's like a little Lotus down there. A couple of cars down here. The one that I want to see is a Porsche 918 somewhere down here, but I don't think I can find it, fortunately. But there's a helicopter down there for some reason. That's cool. Somebody started their car again, man. Sounds so good. Oh yeah, there's a couple of more cars Porsche down there. We'll get back to that too down there. It's the Porsche. F430 down there. GT3 RS. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's cool. Is it manual? Oh my god, it is manual. Oh, respect. Respect, sir. Let's go. Oh. You can see a car down there that I quite like. I need to have a look at it. Zoom. Hey! So Lotus XZs. Let us catch up with Sam down there. Which is pretty cool. This will be a cool track car, if you think about it. But they're hella expensive for one. Man, what is this? A BMW. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. Oh, I've seen this one on Top Gear. I actually seen this one. It's a, I don't know what it is, but it's cool. A Volkswagen Rabbit. Is it an actual rabbit? Oh, it's dang. One thing I want to see is that one over there, which is the F40 gated one. And it's like a Rolls Royce engine, which is quite huge. Pretty big though. I like the number plate where it puts down there. Super quiet. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I just missed it. The door's going up. Damn it.
Really? Really?
So
That's cool.
We'll have a look on this one. How beautiful it is. But it's actually pretty nice though. Very tears down there. For that one. Oh, digital discharging, so nice. Interior is pretty good though. For that one. Lovely car. $375 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds. 0 opening door, all-wheel drive, 8 speakers, 3 wrap down, electric drop top, 20 hours. It's pretty cool though. It's not a bad car. I love it. Ooh, it's a good side.
If you could see the evil look on her face, the smile, you are in trouble, young lady.
Ferrari after all the things. I wonder if he's gonna rev it down. It's a job ride there. Yeah, there's a couple of Austin models down here. This is actually a nice spec though. Which is pretty cool. And if you go down here, that sounds so good. We got Ferrari 4-man, another Aston Martin, Mustang, the 350 festival car. Okay, cool. A Mazda. Yeah, this too is sick. Make that tree. Vintage Porsche. This is nice. Really nice. And back to the Porsches. And there's more cars down here that I forgot to show you guys. This is more of your vintage cars if you're into those. First off, we got the, I have no idea what car this is, but it's a 1929 D8 S French. It's a lovely car. I have no idea what it is, but it's cool. Austin, another Rolls Royce down here. Same one as the one down there. Oh, here's what the Ute. what pickup looks like back in the days. So tiny, so small, and I just saw a Porsche parked down there. A Rolls Royce. Like I said, same as the one that earlier on the other side. You got a couple of cars down here now. Ooh, this is cool. So you got your seat down here, and you got your picnic area. This is lovely. And I'm guessing this is like a Formula 1 car back in the days, I guess. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, but it is cool. There's more down there. See a couple of Bentleys down there. This is cool. I look like a jackass right now. Wearing a Ferrari t-shirt with a Red Bull merch. Oh, that's a lovely car. That's a modern Jaguar E-Type. Wow. E-Type. Ooh, this is wow. It has a tour hammer down there. Very lovely. Couple of I don't want to be on the road if I'm honest, but it's raining. Is that how they roll the windows? Really? That's so weird for the Aston Martin. Old Bentley, Jaguar, Mini, Rolls Royce. Nothing too fancy down there. But ooh, this is a nice Bentley. If you're rich and doesn't really care about depreciation, this is the one that you want to buy. And you got another Bentley down here. Another Bentley. Jackass car, I guess. First aid truck, I'm guessing. Still looks nice though. I don't know what it is, so this one, but yeah, cool. It's a 1961 game year SP250 Dart. Okay, that's cool. I like the back. That's pretty cool back. That's pretty much it from this one. Mind you guys, I might end the vlog when I go home. This is a 4-hour drive, I think. So it's a long drive for me going home. And I might just message me, somebody crashed out, I'm a bit worried because I'm running on semi-slick. Just love it. I'm gonna show you this course. This is cool. I like this one. Oh, I love this one. This is nice. Lovely. It's a Bel Air. The GTO down there too is bloody lovely. Yes. And the Ute out of nowhere. This is gonna be loud. Decided to go home now. So it's gonna be super loud. Unfortunately. I wanna go home. I'm a bit tired though, for some reason. So yeah, home time it is. How's it going?
Did you enjoy yesterday?
Yeah, it was lovely.
Yeah?
Yeah. Cool. It was pretty good though. That's the first time they have like drifting down there, eh?
Yes. First time we've been allowed to do it. We've been trying for 12 years. We ran it.
Okay, I'll have a look, thank you. too. There's only like 30 speed limit down here. Speed limit down here. I can rev it up here.
Yeah, yeah.
Am I allowed to?
Yeah, well, he's the general manager right there.
Am I allowed to rev it? Hey?
I don't want rubber down, I just want a nice engine tone.
I can rev it.
Yeah, no, I know I can rev it, but just gentle way, first and second. Nice,
Okay.
Nice. Just want to hear the tone.
Okay. No revving, but yeah, I'll do that. See ya. Alright, we are off. That was fun. Alright, ETA 4 o'clock. So we got 4 hours driving. We're gonna stop at Cromwell to top up the car and everything. So that's gonna be like what, extra 5 to 10 minutes. So see how it goes. But yeah. It's gonna be a big drive for me, but you guys, it's just gonna be like a small drive. But I might stop for Subway, something like that, along the way. I'll see you guys when I do a pit stop. Alright, I'm kind of back. I'm just pretty much 20 minutes out of Cromwell, I think. I'm a bit stuck in the traffic, so might as well tell you guys what happened on what do you call that one? When I was filling up. I saw one of my dream cars. It's a Porsche GT3. I think it's a 2016 version of it. I'll show you some clips, but it's just pretty much a it's not landscape, so it's portrait. There you go. No, actually, I accidentally exhaust.
So like 4,000.
Okay.
So
That's sick, bro. And yeah, that's actually a nice Porsche GT3. I think it's a 2016 version of it, if I'm not wrong. But it's a manual, which I'm quite shocked. And it's actually the dad's son who's driving it. I'm super surprised about that one. I think they're from, I'm not gonna tell you where they're from for their privacy too, but it's such a cool car. I love it. He even let me rev it, but it has a self limiter, which is a total 4,000 RPM, which is I don't mind. I'll let them rev my GDR2 just way louder than the Porsche, but the bucket seat is actually pretty, what's the word for that one? Tight. So I feel like if I'm gonna buy a GT3, I need to lose weight, because I was like this on the car. It's not really that comfy sitting on it, if I'm honest, but it's such a small car. To make the this GDR quite big inside. I'm not gonna lie, it's such a like tight squares and everything. But who cares? It's a Porsche. It's a GT3 Porsche. I love it. Thank you so much for them. I don't know if I should tell you their name, but lovely car. If I ever be on your area, I'll let you guys know. I added you on Instagram and everything, so we're cool. Thank you so much, and yeah, I really appreciate it. Hope you guys like my car too, revving it and everything. I didn't pretty much vlog everything as for their own privacy too. They're still like teenagers, so yeah, that's every teenager's dream to drive a Porsche. Oh, love it. I just want to show you that, guys. I only got like a small clip of it, so yeah, hope you guys like it. And we still got like just under 3 hours of driving down here. We're about to pass Linda's Pass soon, I think, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog it because I already did a vlog on the way down there, so I don't see the point of making a vlog again on the way home. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys when I'm home. We're almost home, guys. There's a zigzag road down here. I'll just let you. It sounds so good. The next 6 kilometers we got like a zigzag road. Whoa! Shoosh! Alright, Sam is slick on the rain. It's not fun. I actually don't have grip. I'm not even being dramatic. Jeez, I have 0 grip. If I have grip, it's like end of the race. Jeez. Oh my goodness, this is so scary. Considering changing my tires. ETA 1 hour and 2 minutes. We are dropping by at the car wash, even though it's drizzly. I just need to have a quick wipe off of the car before I go home. I want to keep it clean as much as I can before I put it on the car cover, but it's like raining really good or really hard. Well, not raining, like drizzling at the moment, so yeah, it's just want to hear you guys, my exhausts and everything. For the last 2 hours, it's been boring, to be honest. I was planning to pull over somewhere and take more photos, but I don't see the point. If I want to go home, because I got work tomorrow, then I got editing tonight too, so that'll take a while. Like only for the last 2 hotels I've been in, the internet speed is quite fast though, so I'm not gonna argue with that one. And I'm about to hit a car with it is what it is. I'll see you guys on the car wash. Alright, we finally made it. We are almost home. What do I mean by almost home? Oh, shish kebabs. Won't be end of the vlog if I'm not gonna do a quick car wash, right? Yeah. Alright, we are almost home, guys. Thank goodness. It's like a 4.5 hour drive, so I'm pretty exhausted at the moment, if I'm honest. So, see how it goes. But now I'm just trying to catch up with some videos at the moment. That's me and Sam, one of the photographers and all that. Yeah, so hope you guys like the cars. And all of the cars that I've seen is the Porsche GT3 that I actually liked, which I saw that on Cromwell. But thank goodness for the owner, owner's son, to let me rev it and sit on it, and it's vice versa too. So I don't know what gonna be on the next vlog is, but it's been like a hectic 2 weeks for me. So hope you guys like it. I'll need to think about what's the next vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!
Okay. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. Okay. Let go. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look, they keep calling me, could you ride this beat?